Welcome back to a new video on tech and cryptos. In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to change a region language on your Amazon app. By default, the language on Amazon will be set to English. Now, if you want to change it, let me show you the quick process of doing it. Open up your Amazon shopping app. From the home screen, all you need to do is tap on the three lines that you see on the bottom right. From this section, you have three options. Tap on settings and a drop-down menu will open up. Tap on country and language. Inside of the setting, you'll see language, which is the second option. Tap on it and choose any other language that you want to change to. And once you do, as you can see, the language has now been changed. Now all you need to do is tap on this button right here. The app of Amazon will restart and the entire interface of Amazon will be changed to the language that you just selected. So that was the video. I hope you guys liked and found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a like. I'll be back soon with more videos similar to this. Until then, keep watching.